Yo, what up, y'all? Just here, Justice Rogers TV YouTube channel. Also hosts the Just Made Sense podcast. You can hear that on iHeartRadio, Apple Podcasts, wherever you get your podcasts. As you can see, we've got a little delivery today from the good people over in Beaverton, Oregon, right down the street from me at Nike headquarters. Just do it. We got a little surprise here. So we're gonna do a little shoe review. Last video I did was for some headphones. It was tech. Right now we're going to do shoes, and we're going to see exactly what we got here. All right, what I'm looking at, I see the ACG logo. For sneakerheads out there, we know what that means. That's all conditions gear, which is perfect because, as most of you know, I am in Oregon right now. So this is perfect. And the weather has been a little crazy. It's rained a little bit, snowed a few months ago. Of course, you see it, size 15. Looks like we got a pair of ACG Moc 3.0s, black, ACG gear, innovative athletic gear, specifically designed and engineered for performance in the outdoors. Got the classic ACG box. Let's see what's going on with the all conditions gear. Once again, this is a shoe / tech review. Just Made Sense. Justice Rogers TV. Okay, it looks like we've got a pair of the ACG Mocs. Now, these, of course, are retros. These are some mid to late 90s all conditions gear Mocs. Slip-ons, no laces. Great for hiking, great for just walking around. I needed some walking shoes. These are perfect. As you can see, they've got a nice grip sole on them right here. Looks like maybe some Gore-Tex on the end of the sole. And then we've got, looks like some Gore-Tex rubber on the tip of the toe there. Yeah, these look great. Yeah, I have a feeling these are really comfortable. I'm sure you can cop these anywhere. Easiest place to get them is Nike.com. Any Nike store, any Nike employee store. I want to give a shout out to my homies that do work at Nike over at the Nike headquarters. Shout out to the homie John. ACG athletic gear. As you see, the ACG famous triangle patch on the back. And yeah, this sole just looks really comfortable. I like that. Let's get this out of here real quick, see what we're working with. And as you saw, these are going to look a little big. You know, I wear a size 15, so these aren't the smallest shoes in the world, but hopefully you can get a good look, a good glimpse at least what the body of the shoe looks like. And it's pretty smooth. I think these will work for anybody, no matter what type of arch you have. I would say go true to size on these. TTS, true to size for all my sneakerheads out there. Whatever your size is, go with the straight size. Don't go one size up. Don't go one size down, because these are going to fit basically like slippers. As you can see, it's a lot of space to get your foot in there. A lot of space for the Achilles and ankle just to slide right in. Once again, these are size 15 ACG Mocs 3.0s, all conditions gear, Nike. Just Made Sense podcast. Make sure you subscribe on Apple Podcasts, subscribe, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, wherever you listen to your podcasts at. Subscribe to the Justice Rogers TV YouTube channel that you're watching this on right now. I think these are a great selection for anybody. And I'm going to be able to rock these with these. Once again, ACG Mocs.